of moon paper mache. These are the materials.
White paint, black paint,
You only need white paint, but to make it a little extra, we're going to use black to make it gray.
paintbrushes, scissors, paper plate, and cup,
Only one.
and the moon for part 2.
This is part 1 of the moon. If you haven't seen the first episode, go check it out. We waited 24 hours for this to dry. So now we're going to make sure it's rough. So knock on it. Okay, it's good. Okay, so now for step 1, we have to pinch it and pop it. Okay, put it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
I can't.
Oh, got it. Now this is garbage. Okay, so now we have our paper machine with no balloon. Step 1 completed. Okay, so now you can take your white and put 1/4 into your cup. Okay, so about this much. And you can have about a little bit of drops. This is optional, so you can get your gray color. So now we can use anything to mix it. Whatever, a pencil, or whatever. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Okay, so if it's too light, you're gray, and you want it to be more dark, you can add some more color. Oh yes, some color. Okay, so now mine is perfect.
That was my video.
Okay.
My gloves.
If you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can wear gloves.
Now we're going to do is
Let it dry.
let it dry.
You know what to do.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.